A mí me da miedo la noche, le dije. Niégame de día nada más. De día también me da miedo, pero un poquito menos. Austin, ahí agárrate. Austin, agárrate. Párala ahí.
Yeah, my heart's sinking like a storm. I'm so cold. Yeah, my heart is sinking like a
¿Estás bien, gordo? Bolita, ¿estás bien?
Alrighty, we're getting to Roatan right now. Así, ¿dónde que estamos? Roatan. ¿Dónde que estamos? Así, ¿dónde que estamos? Aquí pasa todo.
A Roatan.
¿Dónde que estamos? Ah, estamos en Roatan. Man, this has been a crazy trip. We had high tides, crazy waves. The boat was splashing everywhere, jumping everywhere, and you can imagine tons of people everywhere throwing up. So tough trip. But thank God we're already here. About to get off the boat in a little bit. They're docking, and then off to Roatan to do our thing. Peace. Bus on our way to Henry Morgan. Not moving yet. We just got off the ship and we're here now. So looking forward to hanging out at Roatan. Haven't been here in a while, so it should be pretty fun.
I'm so cold. Yeah, my heart is sinking like a storm.
Oh man, so today we're staying at the Henry Morgan. We've seen this hotel for a couple years, but we never stayed here. This year, we were kind of forced to stay here because the other hotel was packed. Mayan Prince. So we're gonna check it out, see how it goes. So far, this place is packed. I don't think they have any vacant rooms. We asked for a different room and they said that they were packed, so we just got here. We're about to go walk around, try to get some food, and see what's next. Peace.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So we just got into our room. It is after 4, and our first impression is not really the best, you know. The hotel is a bit run down. The hotel room is huge, right? It has some extra rooms that we have no use for, and the towels seem like they're dirty. The phone is not connected for whatever reason. Lamps don't have shades. It's all good though. It's just for sleeping, right? An issue that I am having is that that's the current. So I'm gonna be sleeping, and somebody could probably look at me while I'm sleeping. I like privacy, so that's not cool. That's the current right there. It's see-through. Peace. Folks, I don't know if you can hear me. We're trying out this little jet ski out here in Roatan. Having a little bit of fun. Here's my little babies. This is your first time doing this, ¿verdad? ¿Tu primera vez? No? Second time? Okay. I'm waiting for my wife to come out. Deja manejar.
So cold, yeah, my heart is sinking like a stone. Cold, I'm so cold, yeah, my heart is sinking like a stone.
A mí me da miedo la noche, le dije. Miedo a mediodía nada más. De día también me da miedo, pero un poquito menos de día.
Night here in Roatan. It took us a while to get settled into our hotel, but we finally got settled. And yeah, we got in the water. We messed around with jet skis for a little bit, and now we're just enjoying the evening. It's getting dark. I'm guessing it's probably like 6, 7 in the afternoon. Who knows? And yeah, just hanging out. It's beautiful out here. Man, something else I'm not liking about this place so far is the lines to get food. It's gonna be like a 30-40 minute wait standing up just to get a plate. It's about 20. Yo me quedé con hambre.